Hiccups. Story by Laura Burton Rice. Illustrations by Jennifer Clark. The green words are 3, race, hopped, glass, 4, patted, hitting, hill, still, ouch, hum, plan, sipped, hummed, helped, and hiccups. The sight words are were, one, and began. Scott had hiccups. The kids were sad. Tanya asked, "Can Scott still run in the sack race?" "I cannot run," said Scott. Derek got a glass of water. "Water can help stop hiccups," said Derek. Scott sipped. It did not help. "Hic," said Scott. "Hit him on his back," said Megan. Paco hit Scott's back. "Ouch!" "Hic," said Scott. Scott was mad at Paco. Paco patted Scott's back. "Hitting did not help," said Paco. "No," said Scott. "It was a bad plan." Hum a song," said Lana. Scott hummed. He hiccuped. But it was time for the race. The kids helped Scott hop into his sack. The kids began to hop up the hill. Scott hiccuped. He was last to hop. Scott hiccuped. He hopped past one kid. He hiccuped. He hopped past 3 kids. The hiccups helped him hop fast. Scott hopped past the kids up the hill. He hopped to the top. Scott was glad. At last, the hiccups had stopped.